Stefan, so why is ABB participating in Empower?
Well, Kevin, look, 𝙤𝙬𝙬𝙗 as part of the 𝙒𝙝𝙬𝙬𝙬 is a representation of what our whole industry is going through at the moment. We are in an extremely transformative time where from a very traditional way of generating energy and consuming energy, we are moving into an area where we have to use our energy more flexibly, we have to generate our energy more flexibly, and we have to manage everything in between. And as ABB, we are on a mission to help industries outrun leaner and cleaner. So with our leading technologies, we want to present at 𝙤𝙬𝙬𝙗 what we can do as part of this transformation and how we can help our customers be successful in those transformative times.
And from the ABB perspective, are there any key themes that you're kind of focusing on this year?
Look, I think the 𝙒𝙬𝙬𝙬 is really showing what is going on. There were some more fragmented areas of the energy industries that are all coming together now. It's the generation, it's the storage, it's how we make mobility happen, and it is how we manage the energy in between. It's the electrification of everything, basically. And as ABB, we play a center role in this with all of our technologies that we have. And what we really want to show is how we can help our customers, how we can help our partners manage energy better, because it's the management of energy that is the key for the future. It's not that we are over generating and then have to see where we can consume it. It is that we have to generate and consume in balance, not only on a supranational level, but as well on local levels, where we can manage local grids, where we can manage quotas, where we can manage individual industrial buildings or even individual residential buildings in a much, much better way, and give the consumer, the prosumer, be they a layman, a private person, or be they an industry, the power to manage their energy in a more efficient way.
Now, for folks that'll be attending the 𝙒𝙬𝙬𝙬, any insights into what they'll see there from you folks on site?
Oh, I think they're going to be blown away, right? I mean, we will show so many different solutions for energy management, be it the Insite 2.0, where on an individual level you can monitor and manage energy better, or going to a large industry or even a quota level with our ASCII, where we have already realized 11,000 projects and counting, where we can not only manage the load, but where we can flexibly manage the loads as well in a very, very efficient way. And we see it in Germany that the generation of energy is going to be regulated more and more. There's more laws that make it necessary to be more flexible in the generation and in the consumption of power. And our solutions help there. And we will show something that is neat for private customers as well, for private individuals. We call it the smarter energy management system, which is going to be part of our Be Efficient family of products that we're showcasing there.
Now, if I may ask, from the event itself, what does success look like for you?
Look, success is that we are growing closer together with our customers and with our partners, because as I said in the beginning, the times are changing and we live in a technological as well as in a social transformation. And what we want to be is we want to be there. We want to listen much, much more than we talk. We want to understand what the industry is thinking about. We want to understand where the uncertainties, the insecurities are coming from and how we can solve them and tackle them together. So I think success for me is really valuable, engaged customers, engaged partners at our stand that are, leaving the stand with a glow in their eyes.
And if I may ask, on a personal level, anything you're specifically looking forward to there?
Look, I like the buzz of a fair, and I know the 𝙤𝙤𝙬𝙬 from the past, but when I was there last year, it was completely changed. I mean, this has become such an international melting pot of different technologies, different cultures, different ideas, different solutions. So I really want to, apart from talking a lot with our customers and partners, I want to go across the halls and I want to really see what is going on and get inspiration from that.
Hey, well, look, I wish you a very successful event in Munich.
Well, thanks a lot, Kevin. Hope to see you there.